Okay, so what are some of the pros and cons of rolling over a 401k into an IRA? If we look at a 401k, most 401ks, your investment options inside of a 401k are fairly limited. In most 401ks, you're lucky to have between 20 and 30 mutual funds inside that 401k, and that's pretty much the extent of your investment choices within that employer plan. So that's one of the things that you may want to consider, rolling those monies out when you can into an IRA, because then you have the whole market's worth of investment choices ahead of you that you could invest in. One of the things we need to take into consideration too is that inside of an IRA, you have direct control over where your money is being invested. Whereas, again, inside that 401k, yes, your employer is the sponsor of that plan, but more than likely, the platform that it's supported by is one of the big firms that you've heard of, such as like a Vanguard, a Fidelity, and of course, you're going to have Vanguard, Fidelity products inside of your 401k and not much else choice. As far as contributions, one thing that's really good about a 401k is you get much higher level of contributions per year inside your 401k, whereas inside of an IRA, you are limited to $7,000 if you're age 50 or below. If you're age 50 and above, you can contribute $1,000 more, $8,000 per year. So that is a slight limitation to the IRA versus the 401k.